A digital multimeter has a display that gives a reading. It also has a selector switch to choose the quantity and value being measured. The selector switch selects the correct range for the particular measurement being performed. For example, the switch is now set to measure the quantity AC voltage and the range is 700 volts. This multimeter can measure resistance, DC voltage, AC voltage, AC current, and DC current. There is a socket for the common or negative probe terminal, one socket for voltage and resistance measurement, one socket for low current, and one for high current measurement.